Welcome to our guide on using the ABCD Learning Goals model to enhance your educational videos. In this video, we'll explore how this powerful framework can help you design clear, actionable learning objectives, why it's beneficial for educational videos, and how to use a free template in Figma from Ally. The ABCD Learning Goals model is a structured approach for defining learning objectives. It stands for audience, behavior, condition, and degree. Each component plays a crucial role in ensuring that your learning goals are specific, measurable, and effective. Applying the ABCD model to educational videos brings several key advantages. First, it offers clarity. By breaking down your objectives into distinct components, you make it easier for both you and your learners to understand exactly what's expected. Next, the model ensures measurability. By specifying clear outcomes and performance criteria, you create a way to assess whether the learning objectives are being met. The ABCD model also helps with alignment. It ensures that every part of your video content is directly supporting the learning goals, which helps maintain focus and relevance throughout the instructional material. Moreover, using this structured approach fosters consistency across different training materials and videos, leading to a cohesive and effective learning experience. To streamline the process of applying the ABCD model, we've created a free template available in Figma from Ally. Here's how to use it effectively. Open Figma and find the ABCD Learning Goals model template. It's designed to help you structure your objectives easily. First, define your target audience. In the Audience section, specify who the training is for. For example, new employees in sales. Next, determine the specific behavior or skill employees should learn. In the Behavior section, describe a measurable outcome, like demonstrate the product's key features. Now, define the conditions under which employees will apply the skill. In the Condition section, specify any resources or tools, such as using the company's CRM platform. Lastly, set the criteria for success. In the Degree section, describe the expected level of performance, like within 10 minutes during a live demo. Once all sections are complete, collaborate with your team, review the training objectives, and apply them to your video content. You've now set up clear learning goals for your corporate training video using the ABCD model in Figma. Ready to enhance your onboarding strategy? Download the onboarding template in Figma today and give your new team members a fantastic start. Thanks for watching and happy onboarding!